Hi all, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we are going to see typecasting in Python. So what is meant by typecasting? Changing data from one data type to another data type. So that is called typecasting in general, right? So now we have seen data types in Python. So first we will see why data type of data important. So as Python is dynamically typed, so you are not specifying the data type when you are declaring variable, but internally Python automatically determine data type of data. So now, why data types are important? As per data type of data, compiler reserves memory for variable. Also, as per data type of data, operations are allowed in programs, right? So now next is example. So only data of numeric data type we can add using plus operator. So this is the example of data type important. So compiler reserves some memory at the compilation time, and as per the uh, data type of that variable, operations are allowed on that variable in that program. So that's why data type of data is important. So next point is there are two types of typecasting. So first one is implicit typecasting and explicit typecasting, second one. So now what is meant by implicit? So implicit means it is hidden from us and it is done by programming language automatically. So that is implicit typecasting. Next one is explicit typecasting. So this typecasting is done by programmer explicitly using typecasting functions. So that is explicit typecasting. So in Python, there are five typecasting functions we are going to see on basic data type. So int, float, complex, bool, str. So int is used to convert any data type to integer. So that is int function you have to use. For float conversion, so float function you have to use. For complex conversion, complex is there. For boolean, that is true and false. For that bool function is there, and for string conversion, so that is there is str function is there, right? So now first we will see implicit typecasting. So implicit typecasting is done by that programming language automatically. For example, I am doing here addition of, for example, I am taking here one variable that is 2 and another variable I am taking 3.14, and if I do addition of these two, a plus b, and if I print result on the console, that is c, if I run this code, so I am getting 5.14. But here we have one variable of data type integer and another one is of floating point, right? So now when we are doing addition, so automatically Python has converted these two into floating point data type and done addition, and we got result in floating point data type, right? So that we got 5.14. So this is implicit typecasting which is done by Python automatically. So this is implicit. And for explicit typecasting, we have five functions for basic data type. So now the condition of using this typecasting function, whatever data you are passing to this function, it should be convertible. It should be convertible. That data should be convertible to that particular data type. For example, if I take here s is equal to 22, and if I want to convert it into integer, so I am taking here t is equal to int of s, and if I print data type of t, data type of t using type function, type t I am taking, and if I print t on the console, so here it is t. Now if I run this code, so I am getting here data type of t is integer, right? So now this whatever you are passing here argument, so this is string argument you are passing, so that is convertible. That's why you got t in integer format. Means this 22 in integer format you got in t variable. So now if I take here s is equal to, I am taking 2, so this is string I am taking, and if I try to convert this into integer s, and if I print this p on the console, so what happens, we will check. So I am getting here value error, invalid literal for int. Why? Because here whenever you are passing any string for integer conversion, that string should be base 10 system, means it should be that string should be base 10 string. Here means it should convert, it should contain base 10 number, means whole number it should contain, then and then it is possible to convert. So here what you have done, you have taken string that is 2, it is not possible to convert, so that's why you are getting error. So now here, so what point is important, so whatever data you are passing to this typecasting function, that data should be convertible to that particular data type, then and then it will get converted, otherwise you will get error, right? So as our sessions are progressing, we will see each function in detail. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe to channel and press bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.